So, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get Minecraft mods. So the first thing you will want to do is type in Minecraft Forge. Right, it should look exactly like should look like this. Sometimes it won't work if you do the other one. So once you're at this site, this exact site, which I'll leave in the description, go to the latest Minecraft version 1.14.4. You want to go to the installer, but download the recommended. Actually, don't download the latest because it could potentially not work. So once you download the installer, you want to please wait 6 seconds. Don't do any of this. Don't even press deny or allow. Just don't touch anything. Skip. Just have it in the corner here. It is safe. It ends in jar or zip, and it's safe, so it's fine. You can press keep. Wait till it's done loading here. Now the next step you want to do is if your file doesn't have a if your file doesn't have like this coffee cupish shape right here, and it just has like a regular yellow file or anything else, you want to go to java.jdk. You want to go here. You want to go to downloads. You want to go to this one, download right here. You want to accept the license agreement. That's how you get it. You want to go to Windows because this is for Windows Edition. I wouldn't do another one for Mac or any of that later. But you want to go to Windows. You want to get the exe, not the zip. That is for WinRAR. So you want to get the exe. Wait until that loads. Then there it is, loaded. You want to run it. You want to run it. Let's see. So you want to say yes. Okay. You just want to click next. Next. I already have it installed, so I'm not actually, of course. Of course I have to install it again. But it basically just goes through these steps. I'm gonna say close. It should be all done. If for some reason it isn't working, if your Forge file isn't working when you open it, so you want to open it, go through the installation process. Right, then if it isn't working for some unknown reason, Java, jarfix. Want to go to jarfix, Minecraft, jarfix download. I'm gonna go to jarfix right here. You're gonna just press this little button right here. It'll run it. It should fix everything. Now, once you've done that, that's like the trickiest part, so to speak. What you want to do right now is, oh my god, stop. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to go through to a mod site, right? So you want to go to, this is probably the most reliable mod site. So let's see, let's go. I'll just do biomes of plenty, because I like it personally. And different mods have different setups. If you go to files here, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is a good example of what you don't want to do. Oh, you want to make sure that the mod has to be the same version of Forge that you're getting. So if you want 1.14.4, this won't work. This is game version 1.12.2. You cannot run that mod with that version of Forge. So what else we can do? We can, let's see, ores and resources, for example. What's that? Okay, so if we go here, you can see all this great new stuff that the game adds. We can have all these different trees, kind of this gravelly terrain with some ice mixed into it. More realistic mountains, as you can see. Different bigger trees. Difference here, difference here, difference here. All these differences, right? More realistic plains, different types of forests. Okay, so oh yeah, there's also different like that. Different deserts, right? So once we finally, I've never noticed that before. Different nether, that too. You want to, okay, so here, 1.14.4, or get it from whatever version of Forge that you have. So if you have 1.12, you want to go here, etc., etc. So you download from server 1. Do not click any of these ads here. Just want to click that download button. Okay, now it's downloading. If it ends in jar, it's fine. You can keep it, right? So now, in order to get this mod properly installed, here is what you have to do. You have to, in the search bar right here, in the search bar right here, right? X out everything here, delete, nothing left. You have to type in %app data %. And now if you don't know what this is, it's File Explorer. Just if you can't find it, just like search it up here, press open, right? So once you're there, let's go %. Okay, now it's here, right? You see all of these things. If you don't, that's fine. You want to go to .minecraft, and then now you should find a mods folder. Well, say, what? I don't have a mods folder. Well, you have to make it, unless you have some there already for some reason. You right click, go to new folder, just type it mods, exactly like that. No no uppercase, just mods, no spaces. Delete that. Now if you see here, I already have some mods in here. Now I have just enough items. Zero's Minimap mod and Optifine. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to install Optifine later, but so now you have this Biomes of Plenty mod, right? So we have that in there. Now in order to set this up properly, if you don't already have a Forge or anything looking like this Forge, you want to go to installations, press new. You want to use and then just select 1.14 Forge right there, or whatever. And you can also customize it based on what you want it profile to look like, right? So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna click play. If you haven't run it on the vanilla version, you should do that as well, so that it does in fact work if it isn't working properly. Also, another thing, just don't click the ads whatsoever, okay? Don't do it. So in the left hand corner you can see Forge, all of these things, 5 mods loaded or no mods loaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Minecraft will show up anyway. Okay, so we have Forge, I have all of these mods, right? So done, you want to go to single player. Create new world, now go to so now with the biomes plenty more. Oh, alright, we'll just do it in creative. We'll do new world options. Create new world. Okay, now your world will not look like this. I happen to have shaders on, but in the top left corner, as you can see over there, right, you can see that I have, so this is the Zero's minimap mod, which you can have waypoints on. So if we add confirm teleport, right? So you can use these in your single player world if you want to teleport to areas and have like a home waypoint. If you don't want to teleport, you think that's cheating or something, you can this is simply just a reference so that you don't lose where your home is. You can always see it right there, and it tells you the distance you are away from it. So now this is the just enough items mod. If you type in, it shows you how to craft items if they are actually craftable. All of these items here. So let's see if the biomes are plenty more actually loaded in. Some mods might not load in for reasons, so you just want to delete them. I mean, they're just gonna take up storage. And oh yeah, so biomes are plenty mod. It adds some little bit of cool features to the game. And I will also be showing how to do shaders later. Subscribe, guys, okay? But yeah, as you can see, it adds like different colors of kelp and whatnot, and just some minor things that make the game look better in general. Alright, that's all for this video, and have a good day.